Eggs are extremely nutritious and are one of the few foods that can be classified as superfoods. They are loaded with essentially all the nutrients your body needs, including vitamins such as vitamin A, K, D, E, B2, B5, B6, B12, and folate, minerals like phosphorus, selenium, and zinc, high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, several antioxidants, and choline, which is an extremely important nutrient. Most importantly, all these nutrients come with a low number of calories. So in this video, we are going to look at 4 incredible health benefits of eating eggs regularly. Number 1. Eggs have the greatest anabolic effect over all the other protein-rich foods. This means a major proportion of proteins in the eggs will be used to build muscle proteins in the body than any other food. Therefore, eating eggs on a regular basis will help you gain muscle mass easily. In addition to the protein content, cholesterol in eggs is also beneficial in this process. Number 2. Eating eggs is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. Most people are afraid of eating eggs because of their cholesterol content. However, many studies have shown that eating eggs is associated with an increase in the HDL cholesterol content, which is the good type of cholesterol in blood. People have a higher level of HDL, usually have a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, and other health problems. Number 3. Eggs improve your eye health. Visual impairment is one of the main complications of aging. There are several nutrients that can help counteract some of the degenerative diseases affecting the eyes. Out of these nutrients, most important ones are lutein and zeaxanthin. They are powerful antioxidants that accumulate in the retina of the eye. Studies show that consuming adequate amounts of these nutrients can significantly reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration, 2 very common eye disorders. Egg yolks contain large amounts of both lutein and zeaxanthin. In addition to these antioxidants, egg yolks contain vitamin A, another important vitamin for eye health. So, eating eggs on a regular basis will improve your eye health. Number 4. Eggs contain choline, an essential nutrient in the diet. Choline was officially recognized as an essential nutrient by the Institute of Medicine in 1998. It has a wide range of roles in human metabolism, from cell structure to neurotransmitter biosynthesis. Choline deficiency has been recognized to have an impact on diseases such as liver disease, atherosclerosis, and neurological disorders. Choline is found in a wide variety of foods. Egg yolks are the richest source of choline, providing 680 milligrams per 100 grams. Therefore, eating eggs on a regular basis will make sure you take adequate amounts of choline through the diet.